Come on, Ma. Let's go see it. Come on, see the left. How you doing? See that goat? You see that goat? Look. You see that silky chicken? Look at that silky chicken,
See
Mama.
the chicken?
Look, Mama.
Give her a pet.
Look, Mama.
This is Connie.
Look at the silky chicken. Look. Say hey. Look, Mama.
Look. I know, she's just about done with
She
me
just
now.
see that.
She's like, you are not letting me walk around.
She ready to chill, huh?
Hey, you want to give her a pet?
Touch her, Mama.
You can put her back just like this. You can give her a pet. Yeah, she's soft like a cat.
Big
fun?
girl.
And she sounds like she has a broken speaker. But that's how they sound.
A little silky.
Do you know silkies? They have extra toes.
Oh, they do? I didn't know that.
So most chickens have 4 toes and they have 5. And then